How's everyone doing? My name is Stephen Garrison, and this is my About Me presentation. So, about me, like I said, my name is Stephen Garrison. I am born and raised in Prince George's County. I attended Bowie State University. I actually got my bachelor's in music technology. And also, a little fun fact about me is that I'm also a musician. I'm actually a saxophonist. Okay. So, going into talking about being from Prince George's County, I'm actually now an educator for Prince George's County Public Schools. I've had experience teaching music, third, fourth, and first grade. So, I've been juggled around, but hey, you find a love in everything. So, also, I've been teaching in the county for 6 years. I currently teach first grade, as well as I do teach for the county, but I also am an adjunct professor at Bowie State University. I'm actually an adjunct music teacher. Outside the classroom, you can see that I do a range of things. Like I said, I was a music major, so I do a lot of performing. Actually, you see right there to my left that I actually did release a single, and I do a lot of recordings with my music. So I do travel, play around. Also, that I in the middle you see Stephen Garrison Music. That's actually my LLC brand. I have created my own LLC where I do my music business, travel, perform, record, write, arrange, educate, all that good stuff. And also at the very end, you can see that I do enjoy traveling. That's one of the big perks I love about being a musician is that you get a chance to travel and experience. And so right there, that's me and a band that I play with. We actually had a chance to go to South Africa as part of the show. And so it was a really good experience. You see me right there in front of Mandela House, Nelson Mandela's house. And so to be able to take in that culture aspect as well as the musical aspect and be able to not just embrace it for yourself, but also to be able to give it back to your students and let them know, like, hey, that the world is bigger than what it may seem. So this is really all about me. I'm looking forward to working with you all this upcoming semester, and I wish everyone the best of luck. Thank you.